Mauri tū, Mauri ora nei rā. Te hōtaka e kia nei te ihi ko pou tēnei, kei rō whare taia ki te whitu karaka i te pōnei and whānau. I have a very special guest on the phone lines for you. Ko Betty-Anne tēnei, mai te pēne, Ardijah, tēnā koe. Betty-Anne, how are you today?
Oh, ke te pai au, Waipounamu. It's beautiful to be talking to you. Our team, the Ardijah boys, are really looking forward to coming down to Matariki Mackenzie at Lake Takapo. Never ever have we been there. So, just to share the love through music, celebrate Matariki.
Yes! So excited. I wanted to mention, you have a very close relationship with Ngai Tahu, don't you?
Oh, I'm not too sure.
No, you've supported Ngai Tahu in a lot of different kaupapa.
Yes,
You've done the Ngai Tahu Huia Iwi. You've done a lot of other gigs with Ngai Tahu. You're just amazing at supporting any kaupapa that we have. Now you're coming to celebrate Matariki with us.
I think over the years, we look after each other. And I think that's really true, with our music journey, obviously, and connecting and obviously being proud to be Māori from Aotearoa, and also with Matariki being acknowledged, which is long overdue. We are here now, and it is about all of people from Aotearoa to know and to learn about how important Matariki is for where we are in this part of the world, Yeah, so wonderful to be able to come to Takapo. Never, ever have we been there before. So, and I'd love to stay longer. However, we've got so much stuff going on in our lives.
Well, we thank you for making the time to come down with us and celebrate Matariki this Friday in Takapo for Mackenzie Matariki. Now, you mentioned you've never been to Takapo before.
Yeah.
And I would highly recommend that you bring all of your warm clothes with you, Ewa, because it is maka chili on another level down there. I'm not even kidding you.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah. The mountains everywhere is just covered in hukapapa, in snow, okay? You're going to need those big woolly socks, about 2 or 3 beanies, maybe a swan dry or a huffer jacket or,
Hey, lucky you reminded me. I better tell these boys, obviously us North Islanders and, Pacific fellas too as well, thinking, just like tamaki, but no, it's not.
No, it's not.
Yeah. Will do. Thank you for that. Okay, I'm writing that down right now.
Ka whai. E ai kia te ao rere pewhairangi, the right-hand man turangi mātāmua. According to him, he reckons it's matawiki this week. And I actually love that. Here in Te Waipounamu, we acknowledge the star of Puanga to mark the new year. And we use the constellation Matariki as a guide for what to expect in the future. I wanted to ask you if you're able to share a few of your own reflections of the past year and any future plans for the new year to come.
Wow. Well, I think whānau is so important to me, reflecting on where we come from. And my mokopuna, actually, got lots of them. Oh,
beautiful.
And just celebrating their sharing and their gifts that they bring, everything. And I think, but challenges, and just acknowledging that life does throw stuff at us, does, and that's the reality of sometimes some real heavy stuff. But we have that whānau around us to support us, to lift us when we need that, and looking forward to the future, appreciating what we have, forward planning, obviously with music, and getting involved with our community more. That's specifically for myself anyway.
Rawe. Now, I love asking people this question. It's one of my favorite questions to ask. Betty-Anne, what is your why? Why do you do what you do?
It still inspires me, and actually it's I think over the last probably 10, 15 years, it is about service, like what we have shared and given, and obviously the craft that we do, but also it's just actually not about, I don't believe it's just about the self. It's about what can we give, and it's about serving others, and the music does, and we're here. I mean, I don't can't remember the first time that Ngai Tahu actually invited us down there. It's a long time ago, and still we remain, and I'm very grateful that we're still kind of on the radar, I suppose.
Beautiful, beautiful. And I
Mm.
just want to say, you're more than on the radar. You're still in the hearts of many, many people across Aotearoa. I
Oh.
grew up listening to you. My mum used to blast your Ardijah in our whare all the time.
It's your mum's fault while she's cleaning, eh? Yeah,
Well,
cleaning.
she's
Cooking.
trying to jump in the car with me to come to Takapo, and I'm like, you need to stay home, look after your mogos, girl.
Oh, waka. Oh, it's all good, Funny, all right, funny. Oh, nice, Waipounamu. It's just beautiful,
Tēnā
eh?
koe, tēnā koe.
Mm.
Nā reira whānau, make sure you got to come to Takapo this Friday, 28th of June. Ardijah and One Drop Nation as well, performing at Matariki Mackenzie. Get your tickets at matarikimackenzie.co.nz. Betty-Anne, tēnā koe. Thank you so much for taking the time out to speak with me today. Any last words e te tuahine?
Oh, I really, it's lovely to talk to you, have our little kōrero. We're so looking forward to coming to Takapo and just being part of Matariki, what it means to be in this part of the world, Yeah, even though it's going to be really chilly. So good. Kia ora, Waipounamu.
Tēnā koe, Betty-Anne.
Kia pai tō rā.